Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see parts of a speech in very easy way with just one example, the same example. Just put me in the comment. So in English, words in sentence are divided into different kinds according to their function needs. We'll call the parts of a speech. So there are 8 in number. Those are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So we are going to see one by one. Let's go. The first one is a noun. A noun is a word that we use for giving a name to a person, place, thing, quality, idea, or an action. For example, the girl spoke sweetly to the stranger. The girl and the stranger are nouns here. Other nouns like dog, city, happiness, those are nouns. The second one is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that we use in place of noun. For example, the little girl spoke sweetly to the stranger. So here the little girl and the stranger are nouns. So instead of those, she gave him water to drink. So instead of little girl we use she, and instead of a stranger we use him. So she and him are here pronoun. And other examples of pronoun words are like he, she, it, they, we, and so on. And the third one is adjective. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, the little girl spoke sweetly to the tall stranger. So little tells us something about the girl. It is an adjective. And similarly, tall is used as an adjective for the noun stranger. And other examples like happy, blue, tall, and etc. are an adjective. And the fourth one is a verb. A verb is a word that tells us what somebody or something does, what state somebody or something is in, or what is becoming of somebody or something. For example, the little girl spoke sweetly to the stranger. Here, spoke is a verb that tells us what the little girl did. And other examples of verbs like run, is, think, and so on. There are so many verbs like regular and irregular verb. Please read more. And the fifth one is adverb. An adverb is qualify or adds to the meaning of a verb or an adjective, often ending with ly, but not always. Like for example, the little girl spoke sweetly to the stranger. So sweetly here qualify the verb spoke. And other examples like quickly, very, well, and so on are adverbs. And the sixth one is preposition. A preposition is a word placed usually before a noun or a noun phrase to show its relation to some other word or words in a sentence. For example, the little girl spoke sweetly to the stranger. And other example also, the cat is sitting on the table. So here to is placed before the noun in the stranger and tells the relation between him and the little girl. To is therefore a preposition and the same as on. And other examples like in, on, at, between, beside, behind, and it are preposition words. And the seventh one is conjunction. Conjunction is a word that is used for joining or connecting word, phrase, clause, and sentences. For example, the little girl spoke sweetly to the stranger and gave him water to drink. So there are two sentence here. The first one is a little girl spoke sweetly to a stranger, and the second one is give him water to drink. So the word and connects the two clauses, or the two clause, or the two sentence. It joins two clauses. So, and other examples like be bet or and etc. Are conjunction. Actually, we call them fanboys. You can call them fanboys if for a stand for and n stand for nor, b bet or y yet, and s so for yeah so those are conjunction words. You can call them fanboys. And the last one is interjection. Interjection is a word that uses to express some feeling of mind, or to express a strong emotion or surprise. For example, oh, so you are the troublemaker. So, oh is a sound that expresses sudden feeling of anger. And other interjection, there are so many interjection words like wow, bravo, amazing, hey, uh-huh, and so on are interjection words. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please write. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.